Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Steve from Rocket Crypto. Today's topics are based on the questions and concerns I see in the community. In this first video, I'm going to make two videos today. The first thing I'm going to address is how huge is Shiba Swap really going to be? Okay, and then the second concern is I'm going to address the difference between the leash token and the SHIB token. All right, even make a practical example. If you're interested to hear about these two topics, then watch the full videos. As SHIB investors, you need to understand these basic things. All right, because this will help you to really have even more confidence in your investment. So watch the full video because this is packed with great information. All right. Again, we're going to address two things. The first one is I'm going to show you how huge Shiba Swap is really going to be. And it's going to be the largest swap exchange in the global crypto market. Okay, hands down. All right, let's get right into it. To kick it off, we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. All right. And as usual, let's look at the overview. What does the market look like today? Right now, the global crypto market cap sits at 1.5 trillion US dollars. From its peak, that's $1 trillion less than it used to be. All right. We're down 14.61% since yesterday. Now the Bitcoin dominance is back up at 45% and Ethereum is down to 17.2%. All right. Now let's get to today's topic. Today's topic is the first question I want to answer is I'm going to show you how huge Shiba Swap is really going to be. All right. To do that, I'll have to show you the largest swap exchange right now. The largest swap exchange right now is Uniswap. It sits at 13th place right now and it has a market cap of 11 billion. Now, it is by far the largest right now and it sits at 13th place. The next one is PancakeSwap and it's way down here on 45. Okay, it's at 45 and it's way smaller. It's like 5 times smaller than Uniswap and holds 2.4 billion market cap. Okay, now that we have that established, the Uniswap is right now sits at $19.76. It's down 23.3%, and like I said, the market cap is at 11.16. Okay, and the most important thing I want to show you right now is this is another website that you need to bookmark. This is something that you should be having as your favorites, okay, that you can always be referencing to and looking to. It's called Crypto Rank. Okay, what it does, it ranks, well, like the name suggests, it ranks cryptos. Okay, in this specific case, I just want to show you how many Uniswap holders there are. Okay, right now there are 236,720 Uniswap holders, and it's the largest right now. As we established at the beginning of the video, we saw that it is sitting on the 13th place. It's by far the dominating swap exchange right now. Okay, all right, now let's go to Shiba Swap. Shiba Inu, let's go to Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu currently sits at 35 and it has a market cap of 2.7 billion. All right. Now, if we go to it, we can see here the price is 0.000007. Okay. And it's down 25%. Market cap is 2.7 billion. But let's see how many Shiba holders there are. Now, as you can see, there are 405,223 SHIB holders. Let me give you even better news. Yesterday's tweet, that was yesterday, May 21st, 3:13 p.m. There's an update. Right now, there are 415,000 SHIB holders. Now, let's go back to Uniswap holders. Okay, we said it's 236, okay, against 415, and it's still growing. It's growing so fast. Let me show you something that is even more impressive. Okay, this is May 21st, right? May 21st, there are 415,000 SHIB holders. Okay, I love the Wolf paper. Okay, I've studied this paper so much, it's unbelievable. All right, this is so impressive, guys. Keep in mind, May 21st, which was yesterday, local time, because we are in May 22nd today in Switzerland. So May 21st, yesterday, we established that there are currently 415,000 SHIB holders. Okay, now this is Wolf paper. Okay, this is Wolf paper. I spent a lot of hours with this Wolf paper. This is where I get all of my information from. Now, SHIB stats as of April 29th, so end of April, okay, there were only 124,250 SHIB holders. So basically, within 23 days, it jumped from only 124,250 holders to currently 415,000 SHIB holders, okay? So that's why, for the sake of math, because SHIB holders are growing at a very fast pace, okay? So for the sake of math, 2x the holders of Uniswap, okay? Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going back here. I'm trying to show you something, guys. Right now, Uniswap is on number 13th, okay, in the global market, and it has a market capitalization of 11.1 billion. Now, we established that ShibaSwap has double, 2x the holders. Now, keep in mind, okay, because here at its peak, that was back on May 10th, we plug it in here. This is market cap calculator, okay? This website is called coinguides.org. So feel free to verify, okay? Don't take my word for it. I'm just teaching you, showing you some tools and websites that I use on how I do my fundamental analysis. This was the price back then, okay? What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to duplicate Shiba Inu's market cap back in May 10th when it was at its peak, okay? So, and the circulation is still the same, obviously. Circulation is still the same. We'll take that, the entire circulation. And then you see right here, so at its peak, Shiba Inu had a market cap of 15 billion. It had a market cap of 15 billion at its peak. So let's go back to Uniswap. Uniswap currently sits at number 13, all right? And it has a market cap of 11 billion. And we established, and it's $19.41. And we established that at its peak, which it will easily get back to its peak, Shiba Inu, it was at 15 billion. And we established that based on the holders, Shiba Inu has 2x the amount of holders. So that means even if Shiba Inu only goes back to its all-time high, which is still so low, it already holds a market cap of 15 billion. It will go higher than its former all-time high. It will go past that. So immediately, once ShibaSwap comes out, it will already have a larger market cap than Uniswap. And Uniswap is currently the largest and highest ranked swap exchange right now in the market. So this just shows you how huge ShibaSwap is going to be. So it's going to surpass, off the bat, it's going to surpass the current largest swap exchange, which is Uniswap. Okay, now I'm going to answer two more things. I'm going to show you the difference between a SHIB token and Leash token, and I'm going to make it really simple. Okay, now Leash token is for institutional investors and SHIB token is for retail investors such as us. Okay, let's do a practical example. Let's say you remember how Elon Musk invested 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, all right? So just for the sake of math, let's use that same amount. Let's say Elon Musk invested in Leash. He took those 1.5 billion, all right? 1.5 billion, he used that and bought Leash. So we take that 1.5 billion, we divide it by the current price, which is 1,835.94 cents, okay? Let's see how many leashes he will get. So he will get 817,020 leash tokens. That's what he will get. That's worth 1.5 billion, okay? And it's at its low right now. So it's just 11.72%, okay? So I'm doing this example to show you that this leash is mainly is meant for institutional investors, because Shiba is so ingenious. They're thinking about everybody. They have a token for everyone, okay? They have a token for institutional investors, and they have a very attractive token for retail investors, which is SHIB. All right, so now we've established that for 1.5 billion, as an example, if Elon Musk would have invested that money into Leash, he would have gotten over 817,000 Leash tokens. All right, now let's go to SHIB. Let's say, for the sake of math, like I said, SHIB is for retail investors. Now let's do the same math, only this time as a retail investor you only have $100, and at this current price you invest that $100 and you purchase $100 worth of SHIB token. Okay, so let's calculate. We take the $100, we divide it by 0.00006,991, okay, and as you can see, for $100, a retail investor gets over 14,300,000 SHIB token. Okay, so off the bat, they already get more token than the retail investor is getting, and they only spent $100. Now, how attractive is that? So that's a practical example that I just wanted to show you the community. The difference between the leash and SHIB is that the leash is for institutional investors and SHIB is for retail investors. So there's no point of you spending $1,800 on leash. I mean, if that's what you want, go ahead. Okay, so in my eyes, there's no point as a retail investor, and I'm just talking about for me. Okay, there's no point that I'm taking $2,000 and investing it to get one leash. Okay, there's no point. I'm a retail investor. You need to make money. You need to get as many tokens as possible. So I won't be able to keep up with the institutional investors because I can barely afford one and they can afford so many more. So as a retail investor, I'm much better off going with SHIB, because as we calculated, for only $100, I can get over, what was it? For $100, I can get over 14 million SHIB token. Okay, this is the video that I just wanted to make, and I hope it answered a few of your questions. First was how huge ShibaSwap is really going to get. Off the bat, it's going to be the top exchange right away. And then I answered and showed you the difference between leash and the SHIB token. I hope this video answered a few questions of you. Stay tuned. Now, my second video, I'm going to show you how SHIB is going to get to $1. So stay tuned, guys. The next video will be the game changer for the entire SHIB community. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.